Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary. I'm getting a little tuckered, but I have a couple more things to show you before I close out for this evening. And one of those was an award-winning beauty from Walmart Beauty Box. Pretty sure I'm going to end up trading all this stuff because I don't think any of it's cruelty-free. So anyway, it's a nice heavy box. I did subscribe to the Walmart Beauty Box for a month. This is not part of that. It's like separate. So anyway, it came with a whole boatload of stuff. One of them I've used in the past and it works. And a couple other things. There's a mask. So I'm going to dismantle this box now. I've only looked so far just by separating the paper and taking a quick look. I have not taken anything out of any boxes. So I think it's all travel size in spite of the big giant Olay box. And of course here's a card and it has all the products on it. Okay, the first thing is the Pantene Pro V foam conditioner. And it is 1.4 ounces of foam conditioner. And it says, get your hair red carpet ready with this Airlight foam conditioner. 0 weight. You'll be flipping your hair in no time. Nothing has 0 weight. Seriously. Okay, so the next thing is Found Coconut Sheet Mask. I want to say this is cruelty-free, but I'm not sure. Let's see. It's by Hatch Beauty Products. Made in California. It's miracle ingredients around the world. Anyway, it's a one single-use mask. That's a pretty nice thing to put in one of these boxes. Next thing is the Olay Whip Facial Moisturizer. So of course it's really deceiving because this box is massive, but it's too light to have much in there. Trying not to wreck the box because a lot of this stuff is going to go into trade, and this is no surprise. This is a very small moisturizer. They have this new gimmicky one called the Whip Moisturizer. It's a gimmick because, you know what, they whip a little extra air in there and all of a sudden it becomes whip, and yeah, I don't know. But anyway, this whole big box had this little jar in the bottom. See what I mean? A little deceptive there. And it has these cardboard sides that fold down and hold the product in place. Alright, I remember once getting a full-size thing in one of these boxes. It's very rare. Okay, next thing, let's go by the list, is Secret Clinical Strength. This feels incredibly light. I had a boss once who made me so nervous that I actually used the Clinical Strength deodorant. And it really works. Like, I don't know, like I went through a phase where I was sweating like you wouldn't believe, and she was making me so nervous that I would sweat more. And so I used the Clinical Strength and it really worked. So somebody who is going to get this in trade is going to enjoy it because it does work. Okay, next I'm going to end up trading this whole box. Maybe the mask. Or I'll just put the whole box together and trade it as the whole box. Okay, next thing, Crest 3D White. I think we already have this. My husband's got it, I think. And it's a travel size toothpaste. Yeah, I've been very active in trade, so I don't get nervous about getting stuff that's not cruelty-free in my boxes anymore because I know I can trade it. Or I can give it away to like a women's shelter or something. As long as things are not opened. That's something to keep in mind, guys. Like if you have like hotel soaps or little stuff like this that's still sealed, you can give it to a women's shelter. And they're grateful to get whatever they can. Okay, so this is Micro Scrubbing Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow Body Wash with crushed ginger. Don't know how I feel about that. It says glow from head to toe, luxurious body wash that cleanses and hydrates. So this box had 6 items in it. Let's see if I can put it all back together again. I like the mask, so I'm hoping it's cruelty-free because, you know, I really love sheet masks. Let's see if I just cannot get it all back. I can never get it all back together. I'm hoping that the one thing I can use in here is the face mask. But I am seriously going to start putting together a box with little stuff for the women's shelter, and this could be a good start. I could put it up on trade also, but I'm not sure that an entire box of Walmart crap is really like what, you know, I shouldn't say crap. My Walmart is a really nice Walmart. But anyway, a whole bunch of travel size stuff like this is probably not like something somebody's going to want to trade for. So I know this is a limited edition box, but this is really travel size stuff. So it's a nice box. If I can use that mask, I will use it. If it's not cruelty free, then I'll donate it, give it away. And so it's a pretty nice box, but I'm going to end up giving it all away because there isn't a single thing in here that, as far as I can tell, is cruelty free. But it was $5, and that was just the shipping cost, and that's pretty good. So I did resubscribe to Walmart Beauty Box, so we'll just have to wait and see how that turns out. If it ends up being nothing but a donation box, then I might have to shift gears a little bit. But anyway, this is a very nice box if you're looking for it. I believe it was limited edition, so it's probably sold out. It might not be, though. I found it on the Walmart site. I did see it first advertised in like one of those little pop-up advertisements that comes up. I was like, that's a pretty box. And so I went there and I paid $5 for it. So I don't know that I'm really that impressed with all the products in here. I know they were Allure. Is it Allure or is it InStyle, rather? I know they are award winners from InStyle, but I'm just not sure that they are all that great. I don't know. Like, do they really rate as being that great? I don't know. So, anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary and all these products that came in my limited edition award winner box from InStyle. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you very much. I will have a much more interesting video coming up. Thanks, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.